How to find recently watched videos on Facebook. In order to do that, first open up your Facebook application. You just need to make sure that you are logged into your account. Now to find the recently watched videos, tap on the menu icon at the top right. Then you're going to have to scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. Click on it. Then simply head over to your Settings menu. And once you land on your settings page, scroll down until you find this option where it says your activity, and right under that you'll find activity log. Then on your activity log, you will find different type of tags and tabs right here. You just have to scroll through until you find videos watched. Just tap on it, and here you will find a list of all of the videos that you've previously watched. So what you can do is simply tap on it to see the video that you have watched. And if you want to delete this notification, you just want to go ahead and delete it by tapping on three lines and then tap on delete. So that's how you can find your recently watched videos on Facebook. I hope this was helpful to you. I'll see you on the next one.